Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, 26 September 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2024, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.59. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.86%. This equates to an average return of 1.14% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock currently occupies the upper part of a very wide and downward trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 169.78 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may serve as the first indication of a shift in the trend. The existing 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 8.73% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 34.80% to a decrease of 7.49%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential increase of 20.81% over the next year, with possible returns between a decline of 5.81% and an increase of 68.68%. This translates to a price range between 157.76 and 282.51 after a year. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price increased by 3.38% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 26th of September 2024, rising from $162.02 to $167.49. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.82%. Ranging from a low of $164.05 to a high of $168.68. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 11.09% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also saw an uptick on the last day, with 3 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 37 million shares changed hands for approximately $6.2 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $227.30 and a low of $93.12. Currently, the price is 26.31% or $59.81 below the 52-week high of $227.30, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is navigating a competitive landscape as it faces significant challenges from Nvidia, particularly in the data center market, where Nvidia's graphics processing units are recognized as superior. This sentiment was echoed recently, suggesting that potential investors may lean towards Nvidia over AMD. However, AMD continues to show resilience, with its stock recently closing at $158.32, a 1% increase in a single trading day and up 6% year-to-date. The ongoing rivalry with Intel highlights AMD's strategic positioning in the semiconductor sector, raising questions about market share and growth potential. Analysts are optimistic about AMD's upcoming artificial intelligence-focused event on the 10th of October, which could serve as a catalyst for investor interest and stock price movement, particularly if the company delivers better than expected earnings. Despite the competitive headwinds, AMD is viewed as undervalued, trading at attractive multiples compared to future earnings estimates. Its efforts in the artificial intelligence segment are anticipated to narrow the market gap with rivals, potentially driving significant revenue growth. As AMD positions itself within the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence landscape, both short-term and long-term stock performance may be influenced by these developments, with investors closely monitoring its strategic advancements and earnings results. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Advanced Micro Devices an overweight rating along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 20th of August, 2024, Truist Financial reported a hold rating for Advanced Micro Devices, also recommending a hold action. On the same day, JP Morgan assigned a neutral rating with a hold recommendation for Advanced Micro Devices. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, Oppenheimer gave Advanced Micro Devices a perform rating alongside a hold recommendation. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Oppenheimer issued a cautious rating with a hold action for Advanced Micro Devices. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock an overall neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. In terms of return on investment, analysts also provide the stock with a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The Advanced Micro Devices stock is displaying buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at levels of $157.94 and $148.46. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 6.13%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots provided a buy signal 26 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average issued a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 107 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $144.48 and $132.54. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $144.48. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $132.54 and $132.50. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.63 between its high and low, which is approximately 2.82%. For the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.76%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for advanced micro devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 91 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $171.90. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an important level to think about for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices faces its first support level at $144.48. If this support level holds firm, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of September, 2024, Ava Han made an insider sale of 6,047 of RSU award. On the same day, Ava Han also executed an insider purchase of 6,047 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, Ava Han conducted an insider sale of 2,999 shares of common stock. On the 11th of September, 2024, Lisa Su made an insider purchase of 80,000 shares of common stock. On that same date, Lisa Su also executed an insider sale of 8,955 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 8.337. In total, insiders purchased 2,104,797 shares and sold 1,768,721 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $161.83, reflecting a decline of 3.38%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, stands at 89, which significantly heightens the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 35 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good investment opportunity? Several short-term indicators are looking positive. Although the stock has been experiencing a downward trend, we believe that the current price level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of September, we anticipate that advanced micro devices will open lower by 75 cents, starting the day at $166.74. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.